Guinness World Records have been achieved today. And then today, Ras Al Khaimah, Marjan, and Firework by Grucci achieved 11,284 chain. Ras Al Khaimah, Marjan, and Firework, Grucci, you are officially amazing. Congratulations. As well, you were able to achieve the second record, which is the longest straight line firework display. Again, Ras Al Khaimah, Marjan, Firework, Grucci. Again, for the second time, you are officially amazing.
Two Guinness World Record in one night at the beginning of 2019. I can see the happiness in the faces of the people. People were amazed with the wonderful show that we had today in Ras Al Khaimah.
The reaction of the people, you can hear the people in the crowd roaring when the fireworks show was going on, and seeing the longest chain, the longest straight line of fireworks. The reaction is the reward that we all have, seeing people really enjoying themselves. And Happy New Year to everyone.
So this one will go at the same time, probably with those two over there. In some cases they're the same, so it's a big fan.
Number 9. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11,284.